Hi everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the notifications of new videos I post almost every week. So in today's tutorial, we'll be making this beautiful yet very easy Father's Day card by expressing full form of father: F for fantastic, A for awesome, T for teacher, H for hero and handsome, E for exceptional, and R for reliable. That is what our father is. So let's make this beautiful Father's Day card. So let's get started. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.
Happy Father's Day to all fathers.